Okay. Good morning. This is Brant Quinn speaking, representing the landlord. Thank you for facilitating this teleconference, and I appreciate the opportunity to present the landlord's case. RTA Conciliator. Good morning, Brant. I'm glad we could arrange this teleconference. Let's begin. Can you please spend 2 to 3 minutes outlining the facts of the dispute? Certainly. The dispute revolves around three main issues. Firstly, the tenant failed to clean the property before vacating. Secondly, there is a disagreement over the presence of rubbish in the backyard. Finally, there is a dispute regarding the damage caused by candle soot and the tenant's responsibility for it. The evidence that we can support is we have several pieces of evidence to support our claims. We have the RTA Form 1A entry condition report, which documents the property's condition at the start of the tenancy. Additionally, we have photos and videos of the property's condition at the end of the tenancy, which clearly shows the state it was left in. We also have obtained quotes for bond cleaning and rubbish removal, which highlight the necessary expenses to rectify the issues. Moreover, we have relevant communications with the tenant discussing these matters, and we possess receipts for previous cleaning and repairs if applicable. RTC. That's comprehensive evidence. Have you provided this evidence to the tenant? Yes, we have. We sent all the evidence via email and also provided printed copies through regular mail. RTC. Great. The tenant claims that the property was cleaned when she vacated it. Is it possible that someone entered the property afterwards and messed it up? It's highly unlikely. After the tenant returned the keys, we conducted a thorough inspection and took photographs to document the state of the property. There have been no reports of anyone else entering the property after the tenant's departure. RTC. Understood. What steps did you try to take and resolve the dispute with the tenant? We attempted to resolve the dispute amicably by initiating direct communication with the tenant. We explained the concerns about the property's condition and tried to reach a mutual agreement on the necessary actions to address the issues presented. The three issues presented. Do you have any questions you wish to ask the tenant? Yes. During our communication, the tenant mentioned that the property was clean when she left. I would like to inquire if she has any evidence or witnesses to support her claim. RTC. Fair enough. What outcome is the landlord after? Please provide me with your desired outcome and an alternative outcome. The landlord's desired outcome is for the tenant to agree to pay for the bond cleaning and rubbish removal, ensuring the property is returned to its original condition. As an alternative outcome, if the matter progresses to QCAT, the landlord seeks an order for the tenant to compensate for the cost of bond cleaning, rubbish removal, and any additional damages beyond fair wear and tear. RTC. Thank you for clarifying that. How do you feel about the outcome proposed by the tenant? Great question. We appreciate the tenant's willingness to discuss the matter, but the proposed outcome falls short of covering the actual expenses required to restore the property to its original state. RTC. I understand. How would you like this dispute to be resolved? Ideally, we hope to reach an agreement during this conciliation process where the tenant takes responsibility for the cleaning and rubbish removal expenses. However, if we cannot come to a resolution today, we are prepared to proceed to QCAT to seek a fair judgment on the matter. Thank you for your cooperation. We will take this information into account during the conciliation process. Thank you.